everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching. So for today, I'm going to be filming my daily plan with me. This is my Bloom daily planner, and we're going to be doing a daily plan with me today. So let's go ahead and jump into it. The date is going to be for 4/26. I always like to make sure, yeah. So let's go ahead and start with dating it. And then let's go ahead and jump into our breakfast, lunch, and dinner. For breakfast, I think we're gonna just do like eggs and hash browns. That's probably gonna be like maybe 3 points for that. I do follow Weight Watchers, so that's why I have points. I know for dinner, we're gonna have chili for dinner, which is about 5 or 6 points when you add the sour cream and cheese and chips, but the chili itself is a 0 point chili recipe. And then for lunch, let me think. For lunch, I think I'm going to do a sandwich and some carrot sticks and probably some chips too. I'll just say like 10 points for that. And then for exercise today, let's go ahead and walk 10K. I did meet my 6,000 yesterday. I just wanted to kind of take like a little bit of a break and only do 6 instead of 10. And today I am grateful for planner friends. Even if you're someone who I don't talk to regularly or I've never met you before, I'm just grateful for having planner friends. So for today, what do we need to do? So the closet and the bedroom are still things that I'm still working on cleaning. We need to also do our grocery shopping. And I think that's it. Oh, I need to file unemployment as well. If I can. I don't know. Their website's always going like up and down. I think that's about it. So after I go ahead and get this video uploaded, let's say we'll run for the groceries at like 2 to 4 at the most. That'll just be like a whenever kind of thing. And then we'll work on the closet from 4 to 5, and then from 5 to 6, and then 6 is when I'll start dinner. So let's see if that works. I don't know if it will, because you know, sometimes I just get tired and lazy, especially when grocery shopping. So my focus today is going to be obviously getting the groceries, and then I really want to work on the closet because I didn't work on it yesterday. And then the bedroom, why not? Even though I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it done. As long as I at least do some of it, I think I'll be happy. Anyways, so really quick and easy daily plan with me today. I don't have a really big, long to-do list like I usually would. I do kind of want to check out, I think today might be the last day of the PBC sale. So if it is, then I might want to check it out and just see if there's anything I want to get. But otherwise, yeah, I don't have anything else planned. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up since it helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Definitely subscribe if you're not already, but you'd like to see more videos from me. And I hope that y'all take care, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.